For making this beautiful lamp, you need an A3 size sheet. Cut the sheet in a square. Now start folding the sheet by following the steps as shown. Now use a rectangle piece of golden sheet and paste it inside this envelope kind of cavity. So this is how it should turn out. Make 12 pieces in total. Now with the help of hot glue gun or Fevicol, start sticking these 12 pieces together. And just a friendly reminder for young children, don't use hot glue gun without parental guidance. Next, pass the mid-section of the thread from the bead and stick the two ends with glue, making a loop. Now stick this loop between the lamp and make sure you follow this step before sticking the last 12th piece of the lamp. And for additional decoration, make a golden sheet frill by cutting vertically as shown in the video. Now for the next step, stick the thread and roll the fringe sheet along with the thread. Now to give it a pro look, you can use an half-inch sheet to cover up the opening of the frill. So this is the final look of your handmade lamp. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy Diwali!